Hi parents. So we have looked into workshops at Sparkling Minds from Monday onwards. These are going to be 5-day workshops and they are for two different age groups. The Wonders of Space Technology for grades 5 to 7. So for the children who are going to grade 5 in the academic year 26-27 up until the children who are in grade 7. That's workshop 1. And the other parallel workshop is for children who are going to grade 8 this year up until high school level. These will be held for 5 days from Monday to Friday for 3 hours. And we've been getting a lot of inquiries from parents asking about what exactly the children will be doing during these summer workshops. So I would like to take a few minutes to explain what the children will be doing during these workshops, what the outcomes are going to be, and how they will benefit going forward. The Wonders of Space Technology workshop is going to be a 5-day workshop where the children will be exposed to different kinds of technologies and science concepts that go behind a space program. As we all know, space is one of the most interdisciplinary fields out there. So through the 5 days, they will be made aware of the different areas in which the latest trends are in terms of space tech, starting from space telescope like the James Webb Space Telescope designed which was launched in 2021 to parachute engineering, rocket engineering, India space program, and what is the next frontier in space like growing food in space, and so on and so forth. The workshop is inspired by the recommendations from NASA's high school outreach program for students in this age group. And what the children will be doing over the course of the next week will be getting a hands-on experience of these various engineering processes through experimentation, as well as building the foundation of the knowledge and concepts that are required in each of these fields, from which they can now move forward and start exploring on their own to go to the next stage of exploration by themselves. Understanding the world of electromagnetism has been designed for students who are in grades 8 and above. The purpose of this workshop is to give the students a hands-on feeling and understanding of the various important concepts of electromagnetism through various experiments, through various observations. I've seen in my experience that children are really scared of electromagnetic theory, and partially that is because they are never able to visualize what these theories mean in the real world. So as part of this workshop, they'll be able to see the effects of each of these core concepts that are there in electromagnetic theory. At the same time, they will also be able to connect what they're doing in school or what they've already maybe been exposed to in school. So they'll be making, starting from electrostatics all the way going up to building a monopolar motor. They will go through the different steps of electricity, magnetism, electromagnetism, and its applications. The course is designed based on the undergraduate course of electromagnetic theory, which is conducted at MIT, USA. And we have adapted it in a way that it is understandable by the students in upper middle school and high school. So we will not be solving the complex problems that they might be needed to do in textbooks, but we will be empowering them so that when they are exposed to these concepts via the textbooks, they are able to grasp them much better, and their clarity of the concepts is way better than what it would be if they were simply reading the textbook.